Hello, my name is Alan Haycocks and I'm the sales engineer for Agco Harvesting. Behind me we have the new Massey Ferguson 2170 XD baler. This produces a bale size of 1.2 metres wide by 0.9 metres tall, or 4 foot wide by 3 foot tall. XD means that this baler is able to produce up to 20% more density compared to the standard version baler. The engineers have made numerous design changes to this baler to increase the structural integrity and the density. The benefits of this to the customer will reduce greater weight of bales, fewer bales in the field. That means it'll be easier to transport them and it will save cost. Also, we use less twine to wrap the bales, which means we'll also reduce the cost. Bale haulage will also be reduced because on trucks we'll be able to get to the maximum payload, making it more economical. Thank you for coming to visit the 2170 XD baler at the Agritechnica 2011.